Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 30 Laravel 12 custom forget and reset password part 1. This is a part 1. Inside this two part is available via email, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this is a paid service. This number call and WhatsApp 919941599815. Anytime please contact 24/7. I am always available. First of all, my gems are already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run a localhost PSP. My admin inside this 12 underscore Laravel. This is a database name. Inside this, click this user table, and this table inside this is a missing password. This is a forget, not a reminder. Your password is your mind. Then this is a new password is just generated in this video is uploaded. First of all, this is my project directory available. This directory inside jump folder, inside this htdoc directory, inside this project is already open. This my Sublime text editor, and this is already run localhost Laravel underscore 12. This is a successfully run. Let's first of all, this screen is a register screen. Inside this is available register screen. Inside this is available forget password. Otherwise login inside this is a forget password is inside this is available. Let's first of all, this is a login screen is open. This is a route resource inside this web inside this auth inside this is a forget. Inside this is a not available, only join and register. This login is available. Let's login inside this forget. Name is a implementation. This is a forget password is available. This forget is already available. This is a link is already available. Forget. Click this forget, and this is a successfully available this forget password. And this is a not a check. This is a email ID inside. Let's first of all, this is a check this email ID. This forget same here copy, and inside this is a forget is available. This forget inside this is a auth controller, and this is a login. This let's open. This is a auth controller, and this is a successfully available. This is a auth forget. Please check this auth forget is available. This is auth inside this forget. This page is available. All good. Please write down. This is the part 1 is available. Let's step by step inside this is available, and this is a condition is a check in database. This is a form inside this implementation action means action is a implementation action, and this is a name is a forgot, and this is a database is a check this forgot password. Forgot post method post, and this is a check this csrf and field, and this is a check successfully set. Good working. This is a name is a check. This is a email value is a set old value, old email save file successfully. This is the email is just set, and this is a login, and this is a forget password. All good. Please write down this step by step. Let's same name is a copy web.php open route post means post route is available. This is a post route. This is a post route is a implementation post, and this is a paste here. The same here copy. This is a copy, and this is a paste here. Let's auth controller auth class, and this is the same name is a paste here. Save file successfully save file, and this is a good. Let's auth controller inside this is the same name copy. Auth controller is a app http controller, and this is a auth controller. Inside this public function paste here. Let's request $request dd $request all save file successfully. File is a save, and I refresh this page. Inside this email account is implementation admin@gmail.com and forget password. Successfully this is a email is a available. All good. This is this back button, click this and font small, and this is a different email ID is implementation at this gmail.com. Password is a forget. Successfully this is a different Gmail ID. All good. This is same name is email copy, and this is a request inside this email, and this is a extra is a this is a not used, this remove. Save file. Inside this is a table name is available. This table name Laravel table name is a user table. This is a user table is available. So first of all this model inside this is a user, same name copy, inside this is a user model is a include. The same name is a user model is available. This copy user is equal to where means this is a database value is a sec. This is a where email, and this is a password. The same name is a request $request count. Successfully paste here. This is a $count. Same new variable is a create count is equal to count if in this is a count is a set, this is a less count is a sec, this is a remove, and dd $count, this is a font small, otherwise your mind is a not crash your mind, not working your mind, this is a crash. Same name is a refresh this page and back button, click this. This is a Gmail account is a copy, Gmail account is a copy and paste here and refresh. This is a 100% is a 1, this is a 1 is a show, this is a 100%. Next is a different email ID. This is the email ID is not available. Other email ID is implement other @gmail.com. This is a Gmail account is a submit, and this is a not gmail.com. This is a Gmail account is a not available, and this is a not available email. Let's click this. 100% is a 0. Good working. This is a 0 is a fine. Let's same name is a remove if this is a $count and this is a 0. Save file. 0 is a implementation. else and this is a return redirect back with success. Password has been reset. Return redirect back with error. Email is not found. Email not found in the system. And this is a save file. Let's save file. Successfully save file is a good working, but one mistake I will show you one mistake. Successfully, this is a success and error at auth project folder. This is a open this forgot password. Inside this is a not available. This first of all this is a message. Please write down. This is a step by step. This file is a write down. Inside this is a success and error message. The implementation this success and error message, and this message file inside this is a included. Otherwise not working message. 100% not working. I will show you. This is a back button. Click this and refresh this page. And this is a Gmail account is a set and refresh this page. 100% is a not a show. Good working but not show. Implementation this message Same name is inside this, include this file same name, copy and close this, paste here. This is a paste here. This is a file underscore message the include date inside. Let's again this refresh this page and implementation this Gmail account. Okay, my mistanding, and this is a user, and click this, successfully password has been reset. Good working. This condition is 100% working. Let's next is our other address gmail.com password is and this is a this not available. This is the email is not found. Good working. This system is 100% is working. This is the condition is 100% is a show, and this good working. This less database is inside this sec save file, and this is a database is a sec $new variable $user, and this is the table name is a copy, and same other same here, this is the same here, copy and paste. And this remember token 100% is a update, but inside this not update. Inside this update 100% mail is a different token set. Inside this only user save file, and successfully save file is a implementation. Inside this is a mail start and mail end, and this the next video is a implementation, mail start and mail implementation, and this is a only sec. This is a sec is a only sec, otherwise lost of issue is a generate only sec. This is the email id sec. Let's check this, refresh this page, 100% is a sec. This is a correct email id is a implementation, and paste here 100% is a working, forget has been reset. This is a successfully show, this is a successfully has been reset is a working fine. Let's different email id is a implementation, same here, copy and different Gmail account, and this is a paste here, and successfully email not found in system. This is a good working, this is a fine, all good, successfully set. This is a working is a good, and this is a any doubt, so please contact errorsolutioncode.com. This is a my official website, this is a YouTube official channel. Same here, this website is anytime contact. We are held 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always anytime available, and this is available all good. Please write down, this is all good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. This video already 21 to available, and this is a new video is a create. This is a 13, all good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.